Hey everyone, it's Nettie. I am the mom who was laid off turned digital entrepreneur, and I'm coming back to you today here to talk about a phenomenal program, a program that has a high ticket component built into it. Okay, so you've probably landed here because you're looking for something that can help produce $500 days for you, $1,000 days for you, $2,000 days for you. Let me tell you, look no further. You are in the right place, in the right space, here with $25 one up. Guys, gals, this program, I cannot say enough good about it. Okay, I cannot say enough good about it, and it's because it has everything that you need, especially as a beginner in this digital entrepreneur space, to come out the gate and be successful. So what does the system have? What does it have? It has your funnel pages, your capture pages. Let's just pull that up. Computer wants to act funny. So it's got your funnel pages. All right, these are proven. Okay, I know they're proven because they work for me. I've made money from them. All right, great capture pages, great landing pages, and the beautiful thing is the founder of the system is constantly adding to it and upgrading it. All right, so it has your capture pages, it has your autoresponder, right? It has a place for you to track your contacts, right? You can go in here, you can see your contacts, you can see when they open your emails, you can see which ones they open. I mean, it has a great level of detail. Now, beyond that, this system has higher ticket offerings within it. And let's just talk about that. Let's talk about that. So it has the enterprise level, which is the $500 level. And it has the diamond level, which this is the $250 level. Folks, I would encourage you to get in at the highest level possible. The highest level possible. And here's why. Not only do the higher levels have more value built into them, but also this system has a pass up component to it, which I've done a video already on the pass up component, and I will make it available on this video where you can click on it and see it, see the power of it. All right, but let's just start with the big kahuna in this system, which is the enterprise level. So the enterprise level, folks, costs $500. $500, that's it. All right, plus a $50 hosting fee. These are one-time fees. You never have to pay any other fees. So one time, $550 gets you in on the enterprise level. When you do that, it unlocks all of the lower levels. So it unlocks. So what do I mean by unlock? I mean that it gives you access to all of the lower levels, everything that is included at each of the lower levels. So you get access to the gold level, you get access to the platinum, you get access to the diamond, and of course to the enterprise. It also means that you are entitled then to make $500 sales. Okay, that's the enterprise level. You are entitled to make $250 sales. That's the diamond level. You're entitled to make platinum sales. That's the $100 level. And you're entitled to make $25 sales. That's the gold level. Now, the real beauty in this, folks, the real beauty is those who see the vision and are positioned at the higher levels, the enterprise and the diamond. Okay, so you bring people in, all right, and you bring in, let's just say, 5 gold members, and they don't immediately upgrade, but they are promoting the system. All right, say those 5 gold members go out and they find 5 enterprise members. Now, this is what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. And let me bring this up here so you can see. Let's do this. So, you got 5 gold. 5 gold. Let's type this here. 5 gold members. And each of them goes out and they get an enterprise member. Okay, they get an enterprise member. So let's just draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and so the gold members are the $25 members. They're 25. But they're promoting, right? They're doing their job, and they go find $500 members, which is enterprise. Let's see if I can do this here. 500. Okay, 500 for illustration. 500, which is possible. This is possible, people. Okay, 500. And they get out here, they find these folks, right? But they are only at the $25 level. And you saw the benefits right off the bat. You saw it right off the bat and came in. You got all in. Here you are. This is you. Okay? This is you. Now, this is what's going to happen. $25 gold members, I love you, but look, this is what's going to happen. You found a $500 sale, all right? You're going to get $25. You're going to get $25. You're going to get 25. All right, that don't look like 20. And then $475. Boom, 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 boom. It's going to come over here. $475. So the gold member is going to get compensated. They're going to get the $25, but you're going to get $475. And that's going to happen for each $500 member that the gold member finds, which is very possible. Yes, yes. You're going to get $475 for every enterprise member that comes in, and that gold member brought them in. You didn't do any of the work. They went out. They did the promoting. And they're only eligible to get $25, but you position yourself early and you're able to get $500 sales. So they'll get their 25 and the rest will pass on up to you. Powerful. So don't sleep on $25 one up. In addition, really quickly, these are some of the things that you will get being on the enterprise level. So you get the How to Close High Ticket Sales video course. Powerful. How to Systemize Your Online Businesses video course. You need this. You need this if you're going to be marketing stuff online. You need a system. McDonald's, think McDonald's. They have a system, and that's why they're so successful to this day. You get a video marketing in the modern day video course. Phenomenal. Everybody's doing video. By 2020, 80% of all social media posts will be video. How to create your own product video course. Everybody, you should want to do this. It's great to be an affiliate, and it's great to sell someone else's product, but who doesn't want to have their own right there in their back pocket to be able to offer people too? Growth mindset video course. Your mindset is powerful when marketing anything, and especially online. The power of execution video course. You get that. The ability to add up to 12 videos in the back office. Your own videos, like I'm making a video here, you can add into your back office so people can see, not only that you're doing $25 one up, you're doing other things. You have other offers that they can join you on. So if you're looking for a high ticket, high value offer, you're at it. You're at it right here. Ground floor opportunity. So if you're ready to get started, I'm going to leave my link in the description, okay, and my contact information if you need to contact me. So why not you? Why not now? Get started with $25 one up, this high ticket offer right now. Bye-bye. Oh, give me a like. Give me a like. Hit the notifications bell. Subscribe. Bye.